us, Ms. Rameshwari Kaul and Mr. Vinayak Sharma, who will talk about the perceptions and notions associated with body shapes and body image and their relevance. Welcome, Rameshwari. Welcome, Vinayak. Thank you so much
Thank you for
for sharing your
and thanks.
insights on this topic. And it's a pleasure to have you both here.
Amen.
Same.
Before we begin, I would just request everyone to keep their cameras switched off and their mics on mute so that we all can enjoy an uninterrupted session. Towards the end of the session, we'll be taking questions from the audience that you can post in the chat box. So there is some background noise happening.
अब नहीं है अब नहीं है
Yeah, much better now. So, Rameshwari is a textile designer. She's graduated from NIF Mohali and did her post-graduation from NIF New Delhi. She has an extensive experience working in craft clusters and handicraft sector. She's worked with ADIC and also the Directorate of Handlooms. Vinayak graduated from NIF New Delhi. His specialization was fashion and apparel design. He's also worked as a menswear designer for a premium menswear brand, and he's also an avid social media enthusiast. Together, both of them have founded this amazing brand called Cotton Rack, which is a socially responsible premium conscious clothing brand for women. So I'm not going to take talk too much about the brand because since both of them are here, I would request the founders themselves to tell us about the story behind Cotton Rack and what makes it so unique and special.
So the story is very simple. It was basically very simple that we are going to do something which is very winnable, clean, and honest. But these were the three brands which we used when we started the brand Cotton Rack. The Cotton Rack, the word was coined by Vinayak. I'm sure he can talk to us about that. But we started in 2014, and it has been an interesting journey for us so far, even during COVID. Vinay, would you like to add the story? You always do better justice than I do.
तो जॉब्स में खुश नहीं थे तो हमने सोचा खुद का काम कर लेते हैं सो दैट इज द इजियर वर्जन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वर्जन इज दैट वी वांटेड टू डू समथिंग ऑफ आवर ओन व्हाइल वी वर वर्किंग इन द इंडस्ट्री तो कुछ साल का एक्सपीरियंस लेने के बाद वी स्टार्टेड प्लानिंग की क्या क्या कर सकते हैं एंड the idea of creating a clothing brand which is handmade and accessible by a lot of people and solve some sort of a problem was was one of the main things that took shape over a period of time. So that problem that we tried to solve was कि genuine handmade or accessible or basic designs में because when we started out there was a lot of busy designs in the market. तो हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि बहुत सिंपल प्लेन कट्स और मिनिमलिज्म को फॉलो करते हुए जापानीज जेन डिजाइनिंग को फॉलो करते हुए विल डू समथिंग. So we experimented with organic cotton, we experimented with handspun cotton, and we finally settled for handspun cotton because I think that is a fabric that grounds us. ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन होना बहुत अच्छी बात है लेकिन ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन बनाने के बाद आप उसको फिर केमिकल डाइज यूज कर लेते हो तो द एंटायर पर्पस गोज आउट ऑफ द विंडो. So I think when compared organic versus handspun cotton, I think handspun cotton has a lot more value to it. So I think that's why we stuck with handspun cotton. Apart from that, cotton rag का नाम कैसे पड़ा वो बहुत सिंपल था. हमने कुछ 150 नामों की लिस्ट बनाई थी. Then we checked the entire list and then we thought यार let's go back to basics. तो जब क्लोथिंग बेसिक लाइन होने वाली है और वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क विद द मोस्ट बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ वीविंग, मोस्ट रूडिमेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ वीविंग, तो वो क्या होगा. एंड वी केम अप विद द वर्ड कॉटन कि कॉटन से कॉटन और रैक मतलब अ रैक ऑफ गारमेंट्स. So a rack of garments, a rack of fabric, and we joined two words together, and it became cotton rack. And luckily for us, nobody had been using that, those two words together as a brand name anywhere in the country or anywhere else in the world. So because we like the sound of it, cotton rag. Hence, cotton rag was born.
I think you both are being really modest because there are so many specialty fabrics that you work with, especially like cashmere cotton and the zero waste, minimum carbon footprint and zero carbon footprint. So there's a lot that you guys are doing, and I love the simplicity of your clothes, and I also admire the challenge that you've taken upon yourself of being a young entrepreneur responsible business, by reintroducing these hand-spun, hand-woven fabrics to younger generations, in a contemporary fashion, and while bringing a change to the lives of the weavers, the makers, and the environment. So it's really commendable. Um,
Thank you.
full work that you both are doing. So yeah, in our discussions, moving on to our topic, Rameshwari, you were telling us that you did a research, to understand the body shape of Indian women, and the results really surprised you. So, what was the need to do a research like this? Like, why did you, in the first place, do it, and what were the results? Like, what did you find out?
It started with something very personal, and I'll take you a little back in time when I was in my very early teens. So I was an athletic kid. I used to play a lot, and I was quite straight in my structure, no curves, zero curves. And I used to love my frame. It was athletic, straight column. मेरे को घर में सब डंडा बोलते थे. I used to be like. And then when puberty hit, I started getting the curves. And I was quite uncomfortable with that, which of course happens to all bodies. And growing up, even though I was still a petite frame, I would always fit in extra small. Sometimes also clothes from kids section would fit, but I was never happy with my own shape. And then cotton rack happened, and we were doing a lot of pop-ups and trunk shows. And I realized that when we were dealing directly with customers, they would often come back and say, you are a petite frame. You can wear anything. Look at us. We can't wear anything. Look at our body shape. And they would keep saying that over 2, 3 years, and I realized, them saying two things that they like my body shape, whereas I never liked my own. And the second is saying that, कि हम पे ये suit नहीं करेगा because we don't have any shape, we're quite round, which I never found was the case with them. They look fine to me. So it was very difficult for me to understand that I am not happy, but you like my body shape and you are good looking. Why can't you say that you have good shape? And
True,
that
true.
is how it started. We were doing a lot of custom sizes and we were doing other work also. We realized let's just do this exercise. Let's question women on what they think about their bodies, and let's chart what the perception is about the bodies, and let's see what actually the bodies are. So interestingly, there are a lot of calculators out there which tell you about your body shape, but there is an interesting aspect to it.
You
Human body,
picking up, Rameshwari.
sorry.
बीच बीच में आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट रही है.
Okay, अभी ठीक आ रही है?
हाँ, better.
Okay, so body shape is a very cultural and a personal thing. Why I say cultural is because the place you belong to will also have a lot of say in what your body is going to be shaped like. And what stage of your life you are will also dictate what your body shape is like. So body shape is not a permanent thing. That's why even the calculator we devise, it says your present body shape. It may be here today, it may be different 6 months down the line. So the idea was basically to understand what is the reality, what are body shape, do we really need them? Do we really need to bucket people in body shape? What is the whole idea, and why do women always feel that they are not in the right shape? So these two questions were the main question that drove us to this research.
And what did you find out after the research?
The results are amazing. 90% of women thought they were on the heavier side for their structure, for their height and age. There's only 10% of the women were. So, for example, a person who was even on the obese side, they would assume that they were a round shape just because they were on the obese side. But when they actually put the measurements in the calculator, they realized that they were hourglass. Just because you have a constant feeding in your brain by people around you that you're fat, you're obese, या मोटी प्यार से बुला देते हैं, उनको लगता है वो प्यार है. But you getting something very different into their psyche.
True, true.
had measurement of over 100 people, and we actually used all of that to make a formula which is very specific to Indian body shape. Because no matter how much we like the women who walk on the ramp, the runways, they're beautiful. But when we always compare ourselves to international models or all the models, they they have a different body structure altogether, which serves a different purpose altogether. Normal people like you and me may or may not have that structure. So discouraging ourselves and thinking that we are not good enough is not the right way to proceed with your life in general.
True, true. Even I was amazed, when I took the calculations on your website. I was surprised by my body shape because I always thought it to be completely different. So yeah, I know that I completely agree that at some point of our lives we have all struggled to be friends with our own body, and we sometimes tend to forget that our bodies are constantly evolving, and we just internalize these these virtually constructed ideals of beauty in our minds, which always lead to a perpetual sense of dissatisfaction about how we look. So this is, and especially with young people, this is a real challenge to deal with. So, what do you guys think about body image, and what are your thoughts on the perceptions and the misconceptions associated with it, or the judgments rather associated with it?
Vinay can address this because he had very interesting take, and I can add what.
Sure, sure.
So people who are here in the meeting and who know me personally know what kind of a body structure I have. So uh, uh, I I have that ability to joke about it and take it lightly because I know I can't really do anything about it. Apart from going to a gym, which I've tried and it doesn't work for me, I am perpetually thin. I cannot gain weight. So, but I wouldn't talk about my body structure and body type to explain what uh, my problem is. So, this happened last week. I was discussing something with my friends on an old WhatsApp group, like जो लोग हम निफ्ट में साथ में पढ़ते थे, तो we were discussing something over there, and I was just joking around, and I sent them an emoji. Now that how nowadays we can customize an emoji in our own face to look like us. So I had sent an emoji which had a beard like this, was wearing specs, and the same kind of hair that I have. Uh, and it was hugging a heart to it. But what I got in response was, Vinayak, is that you? Question mark. I said, yeah, of course, this is me only. बोले तू इतना डार्क तो नहीं है. मैंने कहा यार मैं इतना ही तो डार्क हूँ. तो मेरा कॉम्प्लेक्शन तो ऐसा ही है. सो दे पॉइंटेड आउट कि नहीं, योर कॉम्प्लेक्शन इज स्लाइटली लाइटर देन दिस. मैंने कहा ओके फाइन, आई मेक अ न्यू इमोजी, आई मेक द करेक्शंस एंड आई शेयर इट विद यू. So I made 2-3 corrections and almost went 2 shades lighter than the actual color that I had picked up. Now if I have to look at it from the point of view कि मेरे को कोई कॉम्प्लेक्शन था क्या मेरे कलर को लेके, मेरे स्किन कलर को लेके, नहीं, कभी नहीं था. बट मेरे दिमाग में एक ऑलरेडी कलर फिटेड था विच वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ माई स्किन कलर. मेरे को, मैं काला हूँ, गोरा हूँ, पतला हूँ, मोटा हूँ, मेरे को उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. ठीक है. बट मेरे दिमाग में मेरी खुद की एक इमेज फिट थी जो पिछले हफ्ते, मतलब आई एम 33 राइट नाउ, जो इन 33 years of my life it got broken up last week. So it felt good कि चलो at least so this is something wrong about myself that I knew, and I had this misconception about myself, and I got corrected over it. And this happens on a larger scale with a lot of us because we don't finally think about talking to people about it. We are not okay with discussing it out in the public. तो मुझे लगता है कि कभी कभी इन चीज़ों का मजाक हम करते हैं या फिर इसको सीरियसली ले लेते हैं या फिर कुछ भी है. पहले तो मेरे को लगता है कि वी शुडंट टेक इट सीरियसली एट ऑल. सेकेंड थिंग इज, अगर आप मजाक में भी लेते हो तो भी एक लेवल होता है कि मजाक करो एंड कीप इट टू अ टोन ऑफ सीरियसनेस वेयर इफ यू आर रॉन्ग यू आर दैट कंफर्टेबल दैट पीपल कैन करेक्ट यू. नहीं तुम गलत हो, ये सही है, and you actually take that advice, which a lot of us don't do because we don't want to break our own mental image of ourselves कि नहीं मैं तो बहुत अच्छा हूँ या फिर मैं तो बहुत बुरा हूँ. एंड सामने वाला बोले जा रहा है नहीं यार तू बहुत टैलेंटेड है, तू बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बंदा है, एंड यू डोंट टेक इट. You just sulk in your own self कि भाई मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. So I think जान लेना अपने आप को बहुत जरूरी है. चाहे वो आप अपनी प्राइवेसी में करो या फिर आप फुल व्यू में करो. इसको ज्यादा सीरियसली भी नहीं लेना चाहिए और इसको ज्यादा मजाक में भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. That is my opinion about the entire thing.
There
Rameshwari,
is
what do
a
you think?
very इट्स वेरी ट्रू. सो स्वाति, हम जब ये रिसर्च कर रहे थे, बेसिकली हम लोगों ने डाटा तब इकट्ठा किया जब हम पब्स के लिए, ट्रंक शोज के लिए जाते थे, एंड वी वुड मीट पीपल हु वुड वांट टू गेट अ ड्रेस कस्टमाइज्ड और हु वुड लेट अस टेक द मेजरमेंट्स. एंड यू नो, व्हेनेवर आई वुड बी टेकिंग मेजरमेंट्स, एक बहुत ही कॉमन रिमार्क आता था. आई एम नॉट, माय हिप्स आर नॉट दैट ग्रेट, यूज्ड टू बी वन, एंड सेकंड, दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू बी इन अ बेटर शेप. And more often than not, girls or the women who would be, with them, their friends, they would end up laughing कि तेरे को लगता है, मेरे को तो तू सही लगती है. ठीक है. And this happening again and again and again was just validating what I was feeling. कि what is wrong with everybody? I mean, we all have good shapes. Why are we ourselves not happy? So
Yeah.
the entire thing came to that कि हम अपनी इमेज इतनी गलत सोचते हैं. So if you're going to see the world, maybe the judgment will cloud that also. You need to be very careful on how you take in the information about yourself. Is it true? Is it right? या फिर आपको किसी ने मजाक में कुछ बोल दिया, या फिर बचपन से आपको कुछ लग रहा है, या फिर आपको मीडिया कुछ बोल रही है, उसके हिसाब से आप परफेक्ट नहीं हो, तो इज इट योर फॉल्ट? और यू जस्ट नीड टू गो अवे फ्रॉम दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट अ राइट माइंडसेट टू बी इन.
True, and even however you are, just to be okay with that. Because
Yeah.
I mean, just while talking to you guys, listening to you, I just remembered this conversation with my niece who turned 13 last year, and she's a little chubby kid. So we were having this conversation, and she was very conscious about how she started looking, and she that she's not thin and the ideal weight. So I was trying to tell her it's okay to be curvy, and there are so many old Bollywood heroines who used to look like this. So she tells me curves are for roads, not for bodies.
Exactly.
Like such a even young kids, the idea of a image, a certain body image, is so real, which might really not be real. It's really different from what your actual body shape is, but your perceived notions about how you look, impact people in such a big way.
Indian bodies have a very inherently pronounced hip. Not just Indian, South Asian bodies have pronounced hips. That is what South Asian bodies are usually famous for, because of the drape of the sari. That is what is getting enhanced, the curves. That is why sari always looks beautiful on South Asian women
Indian,
mostly.
yeah,
But
true.
curves are something we have inherited.
Yeah, I think yeah, it's genetic. It's in our genes. That's true.
जी,
So
इसको देखने का एक और तरीका है. इसको हम ऐसे क्यों ना देखें कि अगर हमें कोई तरीके से अपना बॉडी शेप पता चल जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसको हम नेगेटिविटी में ना लेके पॉजिटिविटी में लें एंड ओनली यूज इट एज अ टूल टू बेटर आवर लाइव्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? मतलब आप लोग क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में?
absolutely. I think, just the awareness to know what your body type is, and if that gives you the sensibility and confidence to present yourself to the world in a certain way, I think that is wonderful to use it as a tool.
So yes, I think the entire thing always comes down to whether people are okay with what body shape they have. Self-image is a very difficult issue, especially now in the time of where social media doesn't take time to relay the news, where you can just take a photograph, put it out there for people to comment and like, and then just one comment that you seem to have put on weight or you seem to have lost weight, which is a very personal thing, has a lot of issue, has a lot of effect on your psyche. So the whole exercise was just that, even when we were doing research on body shapes, hourglass, a triangle, a column, different body shapes, I'll give you an understanding of what each is. So a rectangular body is mostly like a straight column, usually without curves. Uh, a triangle is where the shoulders are petite and then the hips are broader than the rest of the body. एंड इन्वर्टेड ट्राइंगल इज दी उल्टा. शोल्डर सबसे ब्रॉड होंगे, देन आपका चेस्ट थोड़ा ब्रॉड होगा, नैरोएस्ट पॉइंट आपका वेस्ट एंड हिप रहेगा. और जो सबसे कॉमन बॉडी टाइप इंडिया में, दैट इज आइदर ट्राइंगल विद अ ब्रॉडर हिप और एन आवर ग्लास, where the chest and the hip are approximately the same measurements with a very petite waist. So most of the we had over 100 women का data which we actually use in the calculator. And so when you do formulas, उसमें exceptions होते हैं. Or there are ways in which you understand that there are exceptions, and then how this is how you deal with it. So we had 10 different exceptions that we put into case for Indian body shapes. So Indian bodies may, I think, majority of the results that we were seeing was either hourglass or triangle, which was a very different reality from people thinking they were round or they were straight.
Yeah. So how did you go about calculating these body shapes? Did you devise your own formula? Did you, what was the process like?
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. हम लोगों ने जब पहले बॉडी शेप्स पे रिसर्च करना शुरू किया, इट वाज जस्ट अ ब्लॉग. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी हैड सम डेटा एंड वी जस्ट वांटेड टू पुट इट आउट देयर एज अ ब्लॉग and give people information that what is the reality. For example, like I actually wrote it, like 90% women think they are heavier than they actually are, or that people usually believe they're more round or straight, whereas they actually have curves. We realized that we should actually write it in the entire blog format with all the charts and everything, so people have very easy understanding, and that's what we did. And while we're doing it, Vinayak said, calculator क्यों नहीं बना सकते हम लोग? हमने इन्फॉर्मेशन तो दे दी, लेकिन प्रोसेस कैसे होगा? You still don't know. There is either one way that you in privacy you just observe your body in front of a full length mirror and you try to understand which is the shape of your body. It is very intuitive and a personal way to do it. You may be correct or you may not be correct. The second is actually using formulas to do it, using maths. And I love how fashion uses maths a lot. So we actually did not realize that we would. So a realization of Indians having a very different body structure came after this point. We knew there was a lot of differences, but the validation came after a point where we actually took up an international body shape calculator and plugged it into a website. And then what we did after we used the generic body shape calculator, we started putting in measurements of all the people who had given their measurements to us. और बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज रिजल्ट थे. मतलब आइदर लोग रेक्टेंगुलर थे या आइदर राउंड. So we realized that the Indian hip is a very different is different than an American hip. Americans, and when you usually think of UK, you usually visualize people who are taller, broader, with broader shoulders. When you think of an Indian woman or South Asian woman, you think more on the terms of curves. So even though we had that calculator, we realized it was not able to process Indian measurements correctly. Now we had met these people in person. We knew how they looked like. So a calculator saying कि इस person के कोई shape ही नहीं है, कोई curve नहीं है, that felt wrong. And then we actually sat down and remade the calculator. So it is,
You made your own calculator.
we made our own calculator and we realized that, for example, in case of an hourglass, if a chest is 36, it is not necessary the hip to be 36 too. There can be a difference of almost 6 inches between both. So, for example, a chest can be 34 and a hip can be 37. It is still an hourglass. So, this calculation would still be taken in international calculator. But then, in case of Indian women, because of the hip, we had to change a lot of measurements. And then we actually studied more research papers and blogs and eventually came down to all the exceptions which are used in making this calculator. And we ended up making a calculator specific to South Asian body shapes.
Wow, I
इसमें
think kind calculator.
So इसमें एक और चीज there were two more aspects to it. It was not just about the calculations, it was also about हम किसी को जो डेटा हमारे पास था जिन लोगों का, वो सारे के सारे लोग we know them, ठीक है, and we meet them because they are our clients or they are our friends or they are our relatives. We know what their actual body shape is. Visually we know. Now, that visual comprehension of a body shape and the mathematical calculation of it, they actually need to overlap. It can't be that your calculator is telling you one thing and your eyes are telling you another thing. Okay? So we try to make it more human by bringing in that visual element. लोगों को गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन जस्ट बिकॉज कि आपने एक कैलकुलेटर डिवाइस किया है, एक जो जेनरिक कैलकुलेटर जो आपको इंटरनेशनल वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा या फिर आप गूगल करेंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे, इधर दे डोंट टेक इनटू अकाउंट ऑल द बॉडी शेप्स। ठीक है, वो पांच पांच डिफरेंट टाइप की बॉडी शेप्स होती हैं, वो पांचों को अकाउंट पे नहीं लेते हैं या तो, और या फिर वो लेते हैं तो वो कैलकुलेशंस डिफरेंट तरीके से कर रहे हैं विच आर नॉट विच वी फाउंड टू बी रॉन्ग। ठीक है, तो आई थिंक ओवरऑल जो हमारे हमारे पास 100 लोगों का 100-150 लोगों का जो डेटा था, उसको बैठ बैठ के हमने एक एक पर्सन की बॉडी शेप्स को मेजर किया है अपने ही कैलकुलेटर में डाल डाल के, देखा है कि कहाँ पे विजुअली और कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड मैथमेटिकली देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, एंड देन वी ब्रॉट द डिफरेंस टू अ न्यूट्रल पॉइंट एंड एडेड दैट पर्टिकुलर क्या बोलते हैं, एक छोटा सा सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला बना के उसको अपने कैलकुलेटर में डालते चले गए। सो वी केम डाउन टू अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे रामेश्वरी इज पॉइंटिंग आउट कि जो बाहर के कैलकुलेटर्स होते हैं, हमारे कैलकुलेटर्स उससे 10 एक्स्ट्रा पैरामीटर्स या फिर 10 एक्स्ट्रा एक्सेप्शंस पे काम करता है।
And even the body shapes that you mentioned, Rameshwari, like, there would be so many subdivisions in those also. So they are also not very absolute, I would believe, after listening to all of
True.
to both of you. So yeah, and also about the fruit names, that are given to all these body types. So did people have anything to say about the pear shape or the apple shape, the name association of fruits with the body types?
It's very interesting. The moment you tell anybody you are pear shape, पता नहीं क्यों, the entire perception is like I am not a pear shape, because उनके दिमाग में आता है कि कुछ नहीं है, टांगे तो दिख नहीं रही है पेयर में, all you can imagine is a wide hip. ठीक है, but at the same time if you tell them it is a geometric shape like a triangle which is more edgy, they feel comfortable. There is, Swati, there is actually a research work which was done on body shapes being compared with fruits, and it was found that women feel judged and classified into buckets when they try to imagine themselves as fruit. अब मतलब आप मुझे बोलोगे कि मैं सेब दिखती हूँ, पहले मुझे विजुअलाइज करना पड़ेगा हाउ डू आई लुक लाइक एन एप्पल और हाउ डू आई लुक लाइक अ पेयर. So it eventually causes it causes depression and self evaluation at a very wrong at a very wrong level also. So we understood that body shapes are governed by a lot of things. For example, few years ago zero frame was in, now suddenly curves are in. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एवोल्यूशन में एक टाइम पे सिर्फ जीरो शेप था उसके बाद कर्व्स आए. It is a constant process. People are being born with a lot of body shapes around. So just favoring one particular body shape in a season is not right, because there are hundreds of shapes to be celebrated. All these shapes are combination of 5 basic shapes. So the entire thing was to understand कि वो shapes कौन से, people understand it, use it as a tool. The whole exercise was for people to understand their body and take a judgment based on that, not to judge their body or feelings or the food on the food plate based on the body shape. It's just when you know a friend better, you can have a better relationship with them.
Absolutely. So that makes us also think that, what is the relevance of these body shapes, and even if there is a relevance or not.
So the body shapes का सबसे tricky part ये है कि let's say I am an hourglass, but I may or may not want to be an hourglass. I may want to accentuate my curves, or I may want to hide my curves. So having a body shape calculator helps in understanding what body shape you have. The next decision whether to enhance that asset or to hide that asset is my decision. So it is just a tool for me to understand my body shape, nothing more, nothing less. It is not a tool to govern my dressing. If I can use it, but for example, I am just 5 feet 1 inches, but I love horizontal stripes. And I end up buying only horizontal stripes instead of vertical stripes, though I know I should be wearing vertical stripes. But see, I know what my height is, so eventually I will take the call what looks good on me and what I should be wearing. But knowing that I am this height, and if I someday need to look this structure, maybe I can just camouflage it with a different print or vertical lines. So I think knowledge is empowering, but decision making is in your hands.
True. Vinayak, do you have anything to add on to this?
Not really, but I agree with Rameshwari's last point कि knowledge is empowering. Like I do a lot of graphics for our brand. ठीक है, मैं graphics करता हूँ, कुछ photography में भी involve हो जाता हूँ अपने business में, website के aesthetics में. तो मेरे को चीज़ें ज्योमेट्रिकली सिमेट्रिकल पसंद है, ठीक है। और अगर आप फोटोग्राफी की क्लासेस लेते हैं तो आपको बताया जाता है कि द स्पेस व्हेन यू आर प्लानिंग अ फ्रेम, यू शुड प्लान इट इन अ सर्टेन वे। गोल्डन रेशियो के बारे में बात होगी, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपको 3 क्वार्टर्स के बारे में बात होगी। आपको बोला जाएगा कि अगर आप मॉडल की फोटोग्राफ ले रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट कैटलॉग पिक्चर ले रहे हैं, तो टॉप पे और बॉटम पे सिर से जितना डिस्टेंस फ्रेम का है कैमरे का, उतना ही फीट के नीचे भी होना चाहिए, लेफ्ट और राइट में सेंटर्ड होना चाहिए। आई लर्न ऑल दिस, आई नो ऑल दिस, बट इसको कहाँ यूज करना है, कहाँ पे इसको एक्चुअली इफेक्टिवली मैनिपुलेट करना है फॉर माई बेनिफिट, इज टोटली इन माई हैंड, ठीक है। मेरे ऊपर कोई बंदूक नहीं तान दी गई है कि अच्छा तू अभी ये वेबिनार कर रहा है तो तू तेरा सिर ऊपर कट क्यों रहा है। I can come in, I can go out as I please. But I have that information that if I have to look great, or if I have to, show a certain kind of image, or there's a certain demand from the client, or there's a certain demand from the situation, I should act in a particular way. An informed decision is always a better decision. That's all I can say about this.
True.
आई ऑल्सो फील कि मतलब पर्सनली आई ऑल्सो फील कि मतलब मेरे को बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट आई थिंक women when they judge themselves and think कि आदमी उनको कैसे लेगा, ऑपोजिट सेक्स उनको कैसे परसीव करने वाला है, दे ओवर थिंक। men don't really get into that thing कि कहाँ किसको कहाँ पे फ्लैब है, किसको कहाँ पे क्या है। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो मर्जी बोल लो, वो 5 मिनट के लिए शायद मैं आपके फेस से इंस्पायर हो जाऊं और आई गेट फ्लैटर्ड बाय यू, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ आई हैव टू थिंक ऑफ spending my life with you, or spending an evening with you, or even generally talking to you, how you are in real life or as a human being matters more. तो वो 2 मिनट के लिए मेरे को लगता है कि वी जस्ट ओवर थिंक अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स कि हम कैसे दिखते हैं और क्या नहीं करते हैं। वी जस्ट नीड टू चिल अबाउट इट। और ये जो ट्रेंड वाला सीन है कि ये वाला बॉडी साइज, ये जीरो शेप इज इन ट्रेंड और आजकल कर्व्स आर गुड, ये मेरे को बहुत बड़ी स्टूपिडिटी लगती है टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ठीक है। रादर देन फैशन इंडस्ट्री और गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री टेलिंग अस कि what should be the body type, we should actually come out for flattering garments for each and every kind of body type. That I think is more important than telling people कि नहीं आजकल curves are in, तो हम curves की बात करेंगे। फिर उसके बाद अचानक से बोलेंगे कि rectangles is a good body shape, फिर inverted triangle is a good body shape. Now from the research point of view, there are hardly any women who are inverted triangle in India. At least the data we had, there were hardly one or two out of 150 or 160 people that we had data of. Hardly there were one or two people who were inverted triangle. Whereas if you go to Italy, you go to European region or America, you will find a lot more inverted triangles. So on that basis, I cannot, eliminate half of female human population and tell them that you are out of fashion.
True, true. I know, you guys suddenly you are out of trend. You're no more trendy. Yeah, so I think we can open the forum for questions. If people have any questions, they can type it in the chat box. So, what has been the takeaway for both of you from this exercise? Like this whole thing that you did, and do you want to continue it, and how do you want to take it forward?
I think for me, the major takeaway was that all shapes are good. Until and unless it is about your health and you feel that you need to control it, that's again a personal thing. But all shapes are good and we need to start accepting it. And telling that and making people understand that, that's why we wrote a very long blog post. So that at least people read about it. My takeaway has been basically that to accept our bodies just like they are. Instead of trying to fit ourselves into dresses or garments, they should be fitting us, not the other way around.
And would you want to take this research forward in a certain direction? Like, do you want to do anything more in this going forward?
You know, we actually got a response from somebody that we should be doing this for bras for lingeries. For a very simple reason, purchasing a good shaped bra or well fitted bra is a huge task. There's so many shapes and so many cuts that are so different for different bodies. But again, you have to understand that even doing this research was a very tricky thing, because body shapes, weight are a very personal issue. People are not very the first reaction for anybody is that it's been, judging your own body. So just getting the data and trying to do this research in itself was time taking. I mean, this happened over a period of 3 years. Eventually it was during the lockdown that we actually sat down and started working on the calculator, key information, and let's try to figure out what to do with this information. There is a lot that still needs to be processed, but I think at least this was a good start, just to understand that Asian body shapes are different. We need to stop comparing ourselves, especially the people who belong to our sector, who have studied design and fashion, to compare our body shape with the runway model's body shape.
True, I agree about undergarments, especially because even if you're a certain size, there are so many variations to each person's body, and because everything is so standardized, it's really difficult for people to just be comfortable with who they are, because it's frustrating when you go to a store and you try to fit into clothes and you don't, and then you just keep on trying sizes after sizes. So yeah, there are a few questions that we've started getting. So the first question is, how do we change the mindset of people, and is the fashion industry responsible for this thinking?
I think the first and the foremost thing that is the changing mindsets is that there is a lot of things that need to be changed. If you think about changing in mindsets, and body shape would be one of the last ones. Body shape perception stems from belief that body shape is not good enough. So we need to first obliterate all the things that are not good enough. Once you're done with them, then you can say that all body shapes are good. So others' perception you may not be able to change, but ability to change our own perception, that is the beginning step. So
See,
once you start doing that,
माइंडसेट चेंज करने के लिए एक पर्सनल लेवल पे ग्रोथ होना बहुत जरूरी है. तो यू फर्स्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट taking your own body shape in a positive light and not pay give too much weightage to it in your own personal life. आप खुद के लिए वेटेज लेना बंद कर दोगे ना, तो आप साथ के साथ दूसरे के लिए भी वेटेज लेना बंद कर दोगे. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि द सक्सेस ऑफ अ रेवोल्यूशन और अ न्यू आइडिया is when people stop actively talking about it and start practicing it. तो ये जो आज की डेट में हम लोगों का माइंडसेट है, ये इट हैज बीन अ रिजल्टेंट ऑफ एटलीस्ट अ सेंचुरी ऑफ वेस्टर्न मीडिया की परसेप्शन को, अपने मार्केट को, जो मतलब एक तरह से कमर्शलाइजेशन भी बोल देते हैं कि बॉडी शेप्स को कमर्शलाइज कर देना. एक टाइम पे सिगरेट स्मोकिंग जो थी वो अमेरिकन मीडिया में यूज टू बी लाइक पैरामाउंट ऑफ हेल्थ. क्या आपको 50 हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स होते हैं उससे, आपको गला खराब है तो स्मोक कर लीजिए. बट वी नो टुडे दैट इट इज नॉट राइट. ठीक है, इट हैज बीन बैंड. तो उसी तरीके से इट हैज बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन मेकिंग एंड इट विल टेक सम टाइम टू गो आउट. आई थिंक द कन्वर्सेशन हैज ऑलरेडी बिगन. हम लोग तो फिर भी लेट हैं इस कन्वर्सेशन में. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि वी थॉट कि यार कुछ करना चाहिए, तो हम लोगों ने अपने छोटे लेवल पे एक छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज करा एंड वी हैव पुट इट आउट इन द वर्ल्ड. But I think the exercise has already begun. People are fighting for it now. People are coming out and telling these things, very, very clearly कि भाई ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो आप बोलते हैं वो एक लेवल तक सही है, लेकिन उसके बाद ही गलत हो जाती हैं. ठीक है. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी ऑल्सो हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियस दैट वी डोंट बिकम स्नोफ्लेक्स. वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी स्ट्रांग ऑल्सो. ऐसा ना हो कि मतलब वी रीच अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे कोई छोटी सी बात बोल दे, या फिर कोई मुझे लाइक आई एम यूजुअली माई फ्रेंड्स यूजुअली कॉल मी जिराफ. ठीक है. तो मैं क्या करूं फिर? हा हा व्हाट, या आई लुक लाइक अ जिराफ. जिराफ की लंबी गर्दन होती है, तो अच्छी बात है. Audrey Hepburn redefined the entire scenario over there with a long neck. तो ठीक है, मेरी गर्दन लंबी है या फिर मैं पतला हूँ और लंबा हूँ, क्या क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो आई मेक माई ओन जोक्स. मेरे बाल उड़ गए तो आई मेक फन ऑफ इट. लास्ट नाइट आई पोस्टेड समथिंग फनी, देन आई डिलीटेड इट लेटर ऑन बिकॉज आई थॉट आज वाला जो सेशन होने वाला है, सो पीपल विल स्टॉप टेकिंग मी सीरियसली, सो आई डिलीटेड इट. बट मैं बोला इफ आई हैव लॉस्ट माय हेयर आई विल मेक फन ऑफ इट. व्हाई टेक इट सीरियसली? अगर मैं पतला हूँ तो व्हाई टेक इट सीरियसली? अगर मैं मोटा हो गया हूँ, अपार्ट फ्रॉम हेल्थ इश्यूज, कि अगर मेरे को हेल्थ के कोई सीरियस हेल्थ कंसर्न्स आ रहे हैं मेरे वेट की वजह से या फिर मेरे जरूरत से ज्यादा पतले होने की वजह से, तो आई नीड टू वर्क ओवर इट. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई मार्केट में गारमेंट नहीं मिल रहे तो मेरे को, और गारमेंट और मेरे को फैशन पे और टीवी पे हर जगह ये बोला जा रहा है कि आर ग्लास इज अ गुड शेप, या फिर बोला जा रहा है कि रेक्टेंगल इज अ गुड शेप, या फिर बोला जा रहा है ट्रायंगल इज अ गुड शेप, तो मैं वैसा ही बनने की कोशिश करूं। ठीक है, it is easier to create an outline of a body rather than first taking an outline and trying to fit a body into it. तो मतलब दैट इज माई टेक ऑन इट। टेक्निकल लेवल पे मतलब हम लोगों ने ये किया, हम लोग इट स्टार्टेड एज अ रिसर्च वर्क, एज एन ओमनी प्रेजेंट रिसर्च वर्क, कि हम लोगों का डाटा कलेक्ट किए जा रहे हैं, हम कंज्यूमर्स को सुने चले जा रहे हैं कि वो अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं। एंड मोस्ट ऑफन एंड नॉट, अब लाइक आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, जब मैं और रामेश्वरी एग्जीबिशंस में जाते हैं या फिर पॉपअप्स करते हैं, तो वी बोथ स्टैंड ओवर देयर। I always have to take a back step and let Rameshwari take the measurement, because women are not comfortable in me taking their measurements, because जैसी मैं measurement लेता हूँ तो आप आप L हैं तो accept that you are an L. You don't have to flatter me and tell me कि मेरे को तो ऐसे ही आएगा, आप मेरे को S दिखाओ और मैं S दिखा दूंगा आपको, और उसके बाद आप उसमें फिट नहीं होगे and you leave the product and go. ठीक है, तो to break that barrier I step back and Rameshwari takes the helm, and Rameshwari is the person who mostly takes the measurements and I don't. Now with that thing, isn't this a wrong way of thinking for your own personal self? आप अपने बारे में झूठ क्यों बोलते चले जा रहे हैं अपने आप से? ठीक है, तो मैंने टेक्निकल लेवल पे ये देखा कि रामेश्वरी ने रिसर्च वर्क करने की इच्छा जताई, तो उसने जो हमारे पास डाटा कलेक्ट हुआ था तो हमने उसको रिसर्च में किया। देन शी सेड वी शुड बी राइटिंग अबाउट इट, सो रामेश्वरी रोट अबाउट इट। उससे एक आइडिया आया कि लेट्स पुट अ कैलकुलेटर इनटू इट। कैलकुलेटर के बारे में जब कैलकुलेटर के बारे में हम उसको बनाने लगे, देन द सेकंड आइडिया दैट केम वाज कि हमारे वेबसाइट पे एटलीस्ट ऑन आवर स्केल, इफ अगर हम कैलकुलेटर का रिजल्ट दिखा रहे हैं, कैन वी रिकमेंड आर गारमेंट्स एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि हम अमेजोन तो है नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट एज cottonrack.com कैन वी रिकमेंड पीपल कि उनके ऊपर कौन सा स्टाइल अच्छा लगेगा बिकॉज ऑफ देयर बॉडी शेप। सो वी सैट डाउन एंड क्लासिफाइड ऑल आर गारमेंट्स, ऑल आर डिजाइंस ऑन आवर वेबसाइट इनटू डिफरेंट बॉडी शेप्स। नाउ देयर आर ओवरलैप्स एज वेल, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि एक गारमेंट एक ही बॉडी शेप पे अच्छा लगेगा। कुछ गारमेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो सारे बॉडी शेप्स पे अच्छे लगते हैं, सबको फ्लैटर करते हैं। इट टोटली डिपेंड्स
Please,
ऑन यू। हाँ जी।
we have a very interesting question. So, Monisha has asked, I am very conscious about my body shape. My friends tease me a lot saying that I am busty with narrow waist. My bust looks so heavy that I am uncomfortable wearing fitted clothes. What would you suggest? What kind of silhouettes will suit my shape? So, in case of Monisha, for example, what she is trying to say is that she would rather hide that curve, which a lot of people would want to highlight. Okay, so again you see there is a very different way to perceive. In your case, Manisha, if you want to not get those highlighted, then you simply wear silhouettes that are little boxy, or that are a line, so that when you wear them they take your attention away from the chest and towards the towards the waist and the hip. So a line dresses most probably anything that takes attention from your chest. Put embroideries at the hem. Use anything that takes away attention. Don't wear chunky necklaces. That's one way. So that you can avoid the attention. The idea is to take attention away from the chest and the shoulders in your case. There is another question from
सी,
Poorna. She
इस
said,
पे मैं एक पॉइंट और ऐड कर दूं।
hmm?
एक तो पहली बात, अगर लोग तुम्हारे इस बॉडी फीचर के लिए अगर तुम्हारा मजाक बना रहे हैं फ्रॉम अ मेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई डोंट थिंक इस चीज के लिए तुम्हें शर्म भी आनी चाहिए। यू दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंग, लाइक इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉजिटिव बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी, आई डोंट थिंक कि इसमें तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए या फिर किसी को टीज करने का मौका भी मिलना चाहिए।
Very
सेकेंडली,
true.
सेकेंड पॉइंट इज कि इट इज टोटली अप टू यू। फैशन के बहुत सिंपल से उसूल होते हैं। आपको गारमेंट हाईलाइट करना है, आपको अपनी बॉडी हाईलाइट करनी है, या फिर आपको कोई चीज छुपानी है, या फिर किसी चीज को बढ़ा के दिखाना है। इफ यू वांट टू टेक अवे अटेंशन फ्रॉम समथिंग, उसको प्लेन रखिए, उसको डार्क रखिए, बाकी जगह डिटेल और कलरफुल चीजों को ले आइए। अगर किसी चीज को हाईलाइट लेके आना है, किसी चीज के ऊपर अटेंशन ग्रैब करनी है, तो उस जगह पे थोड़ा बिजीनेस और थोड़ी कलरफुलनेस या फिर कुछ एलिमेंट ले आइए, ताकि पूरे शरीर से उठ के आपकी नजर, मतलब सामने वाले की नजर एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे जाए, बिकॉज वहां पे कुछ अपार्ट यू नो वो जगह के बारे में वो ज्यादा हाईलाइट हो रही है आपके शरीर पे। मतलब आई एम रियली सॉरी अगर मैं कहीं पे भी थोड़ा सा रूड साउंड करता हूँ या फिर थोड़ा सा वैसा साउंड करता हूँ। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम अ फैशन डिजाइनर, और इस एजुकेशन में हम लोग ऐसे ही बात करते हैं। फिर वी टॉक अबाउट बॉडी शेप्स वेरी ओपनली एंड व्हाट बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर्स आर, वेदर इट इज अ मेल और अ फीमेल।
Also, what Purna has asked, she it's a very interesting question that very often people confuse being curvy or fat with being unhealthy. What is your opinion about this? I have a very interesting rhetoric with this. आज तक किम कार्दाशियन को किसी ने बोला that you're unhealthy because of a huge hip? नहीं. She celebrated because of that hip. So what your curves are, what anybody's curves are, is a very personal thing, and there are very different ways to look at it. Some people will love those curves, some will not. In general, nobody will have a uniform perception to it. So Purna's question whether being curvy or fat, it's all okay until unless you don't have serious health issues. What people think is secondary, tertiary, whatever. It should not bother you.
Yes, absolutely. Totally agree that, instead of being obsessed with size tags and how we are looking, body shape, I think, is just a mere tool to understand the fact that what matters at the end of the day is that to have a healthy body and a healthy body image. So you're comfortable with your body and you accept it and feel good about it.
Yeah.
सो देखो मतलब मुझे तो देखो मेरे को ये वाली बात ना इतनी ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आती है और मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे कभी पर्सनली इफेक्ट नहीं किया इस चीज़ ने कि मैं मतलब टू गिव यू एन आइडिया इफ यू हैवंट मेट मी आई एम 6 feet tall and my weight is 53 kgs. ठीक है. आई एम फ्रॉम अ हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और फ्रॉम एन क्या बोलते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं बोलूंगा मतलब वर्ल्ड एवरेज जो होता है फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई एम 15 kgs अंडर वेट. But I have been functioning, positively and in much more effective manner than most of my heavier friends or most of my build-up friends. ठीक है. And I've been और मेरे को सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है मैं छोटी छोटी इतनी इतनी सी जगहों में से निकल जाता हूँ. ठीक है. तो मैं उसको मजाक भी करता हूँ उसके बारे में मैं उसको सीरियसली नहीं लेता हूँ और सामने वाले को अगर मेरे बारे में ज्यादा कंसर्न हो रहा है तो भाई तू जाके दवाई ले लेना मेरे एंड पे. ठीक है. तो द ओनली पार्ट दैट इरिटेट्स मी इज कि योर एक्स्ट्रा कंसर्न फॉर मी. अगर तुम्हें इतना कंसर्न है यू वर्क ऑन योर ओन लाइफस्टाइल. आई एम नॉट कमेंटिंग ऑन योर ओन लाइफस्टाइल. तो मैं इस तरह इसको एक इमेच्योरिटी भी समझता हूँ एक इंडियन ऑडियंस की. मेरे को नहीं पता ये सब बाहर होता है कि नहीं बट आई कैन टॉक अबाउट द पीपल आई हैव सीन अराउंड मी. So I think it is an immaturity. At least if I understand all of this, ठीक है ना, if I take it lightly, there will be one less immature person in this world. ठीक है, and we all can make that immaturity go down. ठीक है, we all can take informed decisions. We all can be informed. People irritate us because we let them to irritate us. बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. ठीक है, अगर हम उस चीज को सीरियसली लेंगे ही नहीं तो वो क्या ही मजाक बना लेंगे. तुम वो अगली बार देखेंगे कि तुम वो तुम्हारा मजाक बना रहे हो और तुम उन्हीं के मजाक में शामिल होकर एक दो और जोक्स क्रैक कर रहे हो. दिल आल्सो स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट लाइटली. यू विल आल्सो स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट लाइटली. अब उसके बाद दो चीजें होंगी, या तो दिल स्टॉप जोकिंग अबाउट इट और दिल इंक्रीज द फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो इफ दे इंक्रीज द फ्रीक्वेंसी बेटर बिकॉज इट्स मोर फन इन लाइफ. जोक्स जोक्स का बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. दे आर कॉल्ड जोक फॉर अ रीजन. ठीक है. दैट्स माय ओपिनियन अबाउट इट.
There's one more question.
I feel that Manpreet is saying, I feel that one aspect leading to accepting our own body type would be able to find appropriate clothing for all figure type, which is generally not the case. So, Manpreet, your question is really interesting. When we were trying to understand body shapes, we realized there are some silhouettes that actually work in most of the bodies, and that's mostly A-line, and as in case of Indians, sari. So, there are clothes that fit all body shapes, and it's very interesting. There are a lot of cuts and silhouettes that are able to accentuate or hide different curves depending on what the person wants. But eventually, it will all come down to the kind of clothing you want to wear.
देखो एज आई सेड मतलब आई अग्री टू व्हाट मनप्रीत इज सेइंग क्योंकि और उसी के बेसिस पे देन आई टुक अ डिसीजन कि वी शुड क्लासिफाई ऑल आवर गारमेंट्स. एंड आई फील कि आई थिंक a lot more people should do that ताकि दे नो कि अच्छा मेरे को मैं ये भी खरीद सकता हूँ, मुझे पसंद आ रहा है ये. सो बट एक और पैरामीटर मिल गया है मेरे को कि टू सी कि मैं ये गारमेंट पहन सकता हूँ कि नहीं पहन सकता हूँ. अब जैसे रामेश्वरी कैन टॉक अबाउट कि व्हेन वी डिड दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड वी स्टार्टेड क्लासिफाइंग आवर ओन गारमेंट्स, वी सॉ दैट द गारमेंट्स which the garments that actually are satisfying all the type of body shapes are actually the best selling garments. तो नाउ ये तो रिसर्च हमने बाद में करी, ये तो हमें पहले से नहीं पता था. हमें तो बॉडी शेप्स का कंसेप्ट बाद में आया, हमने तो जब रिसर्च 2 हफ्ते पहले 3 हफ्ते पहले कंक्लूड करी और ये फीचर स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग इन, देन वी रियलाइज ना नाउ वी कैन एक्चुअली सी अ कोरिलेशन ना कि द सेल्स इज द हायर द sales is equal to a garment satisfying all different type of body shapes. So I think that is something that people do subconsciously, whether it is the businessman or or a designer or you as a consumer.
There's one more question from Preeti. Hello, ma'am and sir. I like my body. I do not have bust curve according to my body shape because of health issues, but I take it as a positive and use bust curve with pad when I feel bad. When should I? But I feel bad when I go for photo shoot for my designer garments. What should I do? Preeti, I have a very good example for you. A few years ago, freckles was not considered appropriate for photo shoots. People would put a lot of makeup to hide those freckles. But today, people prefer models with freckles. Every body shape is unique and needs to be celebrated. If you feel that you want to use a pad to create a curve, that's your choice. But the way you are, that is also beautiful. See, it's a journey that you and your body have taken together. What your health issues are, you know. So eventually, celebrating what you have will have far more positive effects for you. It doesn't matter whether you have to go for a photo shoot. If it is for a purpose that you're adding an asset that you have to do for a shoot, that's your call whether you want to do it or not. Manpreet replied, she said, yes, I agree, but not much is available for triangular body shapes. I feel there are a lot of garments available. I guess you just need to understand what is it that you love to buy, categorize it, and when you shop next, just make sure that the silhouette is the same. For example, the dress that you wear most, Manpreet, in which you feel the most comfortable, try to figure out is it an A line, is it a straight, what kind of a cut it is, and just buy those garments more if you like that particular cut on your body.
And I think it also really helps the way you guys have put information on your website, where you have given your styles and you've categorized that this style will suit this body type. So when somebody is shopping, it really helps them understand that also. There's another question, Rameshwari.
Asha ma'am, don't you think Indian clothes cater to all body shapes without any fuss, be it sari, Punjabi suit or lehenga? Actually, problems start with Western style of clothing. I
Yeah,
Totally
agree to
agree.
some, totally agree because
that's what we were talking about sari that day. You know how it just covers and accentuates every body type.
exactly. I mean, if you look at the Ajanta ke cave की जो मूर्तियां हैं, they have such beautiful curves, and they're mostly wearing Indian. Of course, they're wearing only Indian attires and sari and the lehenga, and it does the perfect job. Lehenga, if you want to wear it a little higher or lower, how much of flare it is, it will give you the curve or it will hide the curve. Indian garments are apt for a body. Western garments we're still trying to figure out because it's mostly straight and then how you put them to your curves. So it is a little struggle, but I'm sure people and designs are really getting better at that.
We're almost at time now. So I think it's been a wonderful discussion, hearing both your point of views and thoughts about this. So any last thing that you would want to tell, especially the students that we have today here with us?
I have a very personal thing to say. When I was studying design, in my last year, Vogue magazine came out. Before that, we would of course see Cosmopolitan, Elle, and a lot more magazines.
Vogue India.
Vogue India was launched in 2008. And all these fashion magazines, I used to love them. But after a while, I realized I was not feeling happy after reading them. So, I understand there are beautiful bodies out there, but mine is beautiful too. And so is everybody else's. I think that is my entire takeaway from whatever we try to do. It is a personal journey that I've had with this body. Nobody else would know what my relationship with my body is. So a good relationship is where you both enjoy each other's company. आप constantly को shame करते रहोगे ना तो relationship लंबा अच्छा नहीं चलता है. That is the case with
True,
our bodies.
Rameshwari, Purna
absolutely.
has said a very interesting thing and she's asking a very interesting question. तुम जवाब दो या फिर तुम दो, you'll be
Thank
able to better
you. Your
explain it.
response made a lot of sense and it was very interesting. However, why is it necessary to classify people into a particular body type? One could be a mix of two bodies. Very true, Puna. In fact, when we started the Vata session, we did say that there are a lot of body shapes which are a combination or a variation of the five basic body shapes. And body shapes are the core exercise. If you read our blog, we've written it very well. And actually mentioned it a lot of times that this is not a tool for you to decipher your body. It is just a tool for you to understand. And what you do with that understanding is completely up to you. Understanding body shape is a very judgmental thing if done in a way in which you're going to criticize yourself. If you are just trying to understand your body shape to understand it with just the purpose of understanding and having that knowledge, then it is a good relationship. Vinayak had written this, in fact, that overdoing something will actually be bad. You can actually talk about that.
पूर्णा, इसमें मैं एक टेक्निकल पॉइंट मैं यहाँ पे जोड़ना चाहूँगा. सो व्हाइल वी वर क्रिएटिंग दिस कैलकुलेटर, और जो भी हमने कैलकुलेशन करी है, जो बॉडी शेप कैलकुलेटर्स की प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी कि most of the people, at least when we were doing our research, a lot of people were coming out to be a mixture of one or two. Now one has to also understand कि an hourglass is not is doesn't mean specifically कि आपके का bust और आपका hip जो होगा वो same measurement का होगा. ठीक है, you can be a bottom hourglass, you can be a top hourglass also. ठीक है, similarly you can be a mix of, you can be slightly triangle and rectangle. So while we were creating our calculator, we took these exceptions. We when we said कि we have built-in features, तो we actually mean that कि हमने कुछ calculations ऐसे लिए हैं जहाँ पे फॉर द सेक ऑफ रिजल्ट, ठीक है, इन द बैक एंड ऑफ द कैलकुलेटर हम लोगों ने जो कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे हैं ना, वो अभी भी ऐसे हो रही हैं कि यू आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग कैलकुलेटेड कि आप बॉटम आर ग्लास हो कि आप टॉप आर ग्लास हो, बट रिजल्ट में आपको सिर्फ दिखाएगा कि यू आर एन आर ग्लास. ठीक है, उसका रीजन ये है कि वी हैव टू कीप थिंग्स सिंपल. मतलब ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देना भी एक प्रॉब्लम होती है, एंड वी हैव गिवन वेटेज. तो अगर आप ट्राइंगल की तरफ ज्यादा हो रेक्टेंगल होते हुए, तो इट विल गिव यू अ रिजल्ट ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सो दैट आपके जो ट्राइंगल वाले फीचर्स है ना, क्योंकि देखो अगर आपके शोल्डर्स और हिप एंड आपकी वेस्ट अगर सेम आ रही है, लगभग सेम आ रही है, विद इन पैरामीटर्स आ रही है, और आप रेक्टेंगल हो तो ठीक है, बट अगर आपकी वो आते हुए भी अगर आपको ट्राइंगल भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली द वेटेज फॉर द ट्राइंगल विल बी हायर देन रेक्टेंगल एंड यू विल बी शोन एज अ ट्राइंगल. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द कॉन्शियस कस्टमाइजेशंस दैट वी हैव बिल्ड इन. ठीक है, तो वो उसमें इट्स अ वेरी मैथमेटिकल थिंग. मतलब अभी बात करते हुए तो फिर मेरा दिमाग घूम जाएगा, बिकॉज इट टुक ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 nights of continuous calculations and rechecking everything, every time recalculating it for 150-160 people and seeing कि it is coming right or not. 150 लोगों पे चेक करना, और उसके बाद अभी भी continuously we are working over it. So hope we are able to work more on it, and so that we can start showing a mix of body shapes also in future.
I think it's been a really motivating session for our students from the messages that we are getting. Preeti here is writing, I really love this meeting and conversation, and I really tell these things, these all things to my friends who lost her relation because of this, and I will never make a nickname of my friends and motivate. Thank you, ma'am and sir. So,
Thank you.
Thank you for the message.
चलो, हमने एक बंदा कन्वर्ट कर लिया हमारे उसमें.
yeah.
Welcome,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So yeah, and before we end the session, if you could share the link of your blog and the website where people can take up that body calculator and understand their own body shapes, it would be really nice.
People can
So-
just go to our website and typing the website to Kannam. So,
So our
the
website
blog
is
and
cottonrack.com, and we just came up with an idea कि अगर कोई हमारी वेबसाइट पे बॉडी के शेप कैलकुलेटर ले रहा है, तो दे शुड बी रिवॉर्डेड. तो there's a
That
sweet
is a
reward. There's a sweet
50%
reward.
discount that I'm
So
going to use.
if you're taking the body shape calculator test, so you'll get a discount code, 15% off on your next buy. That's it.
You can also share if you want your Instagram handle. Maybe if people want to follow you, and your.
So you can follow us on Instagram. We pretty much go by the same name. Cotton.rack is on Instagram, and then आप हमें follow कर सकते हो. we keep writing a lot on these topics. Possibly, our next article would be about, our next blog would be about, um, I think about the expiry of garments. When do garments really expire? So we are planning to write about it. I'm just talking about a topic so that you guys are interested in it for future. और हमारी
We look
website पे आते
forward
रहो.
to reading it.
उसके अलावा हमने पुराने कुछ ब्लॉग आर्टिकल्स भी लिखे हैं विच आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई थिंक यू शुड ऑल कम टू आवर वेबसाइट. इफ नॉट चेक आउट आवर गारमेंट्स, यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक आउट आवर blog posts and follow us on Facebook for all these articles so that you are updated that we are doing something around these things.
Wow, so you've really sweetened the deal by the discount. People are really appreciating that, and I'm sure there will be a
So,
lot of visits now.
see,
So
I
thank
am I have to become a shameless marketing guy now. That is my job.
So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Rameshwari, and thank you so much, Vinayak, for this such an interesting session, and it was really motivating for all of us. Keep doing. Yeah, so everybody's just everybody's
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
interesting.
Mahesh.
you, Swati Sinha ji. Thank you, Swati Jain ji. Tulika ma'am ko thank you. IICD as an entire institution, thank you for arranging this talk. And I would also, really thank all the people who came for this conversation and stayed till the end, till now. Like अभी भी 23 लोग हैं. So thank you. Extra thank you for these 23 people.
Any extra discounts for these?
Oh, so I'm doing this thing where I'm hiding discounts. I'm doing Easter egg thing on my website, and I'm going to hide discounts all over my website now.
Very
So you have to
interesting.
go and
So
find them. I'm not going to tell you where all they are, but there are discounts hidden all over the website.
great marketing tips. I think next session with you guys should be about marketing and how you should market your products.
नहीं नहीं आप ऐसा सेशन करिए. We would like to be in the audience and listen to more people and what more interesting things people are doing.
Absolutely. We'll keep sharing, information about next Varta sessions. I think
Definitely.
I'll hand over to Swati now. She wants to make any announcements about the next session, or should we just end the session now?
Thank you, Swati. Thank you, Rameshwari. Thank you, Vinayak. It was a really interesting session.